Hi there, hope you're doing well. So the work is kind of complete here, and so what I've done here is created a sort of a dashboard as for what you've mentioned about here. So we have all the dashboards right here. So we'll just quickly look at the information. Let me know if there are any other changes as well, which we may have. So initially we had the calculations info, so I've put that information. So this one is like basically we are comparing the total and as well as the minimum worked out. So just in the overall total, what has compared, I mean what is proactiveness come in. So that's the chart this comes in, and this one is the same but associate safety as well. So that's right here, and so that's your first information that we wanted. And then the plant graph, here is almost all these things. I don't think there is any bit of what to say, the text or anything which is like pretty much like a static text that you're typing for these three things. So that's what that is, and all this whole chart is coming here, and the contribution as well for each of these products and associated ones are on the plant graph is also here. I'm not kind of sure whether this and this is all the same, but if you feel it is, all that you need to do is right click and just hide it, so that you'll have one chart with everything here. So just a perspective of what is it, but if you wanted this chart here, just copy copy it and then kind of paste it here, and it will still work. One thing I see is these things are manually typed out, so which means these columns I'm saying. So when you change that, you might have to unhide it, and so that the chart can be updated. The estimate part, so I have got both the estimate in one slide, so that's pretty much what I've done. So I think a little bit more in there, so I'll just take that off so that it will be the same thing. So you can see here, this is your first estimate and this is your second estimate. So that's what I've actually given here. So let me know if there is any other information that I need to go ahead and kind of given. So this particular section you can go ahead and type in some important comments or two. So that is right here. And with respect to the all data, I've kept all the information, just a little bit of formatting that I've done for what we kind of have. So that's the thing which is like here. And with respect to the activity 1, again it's all the same, and you mentioned about the drop downs, which I will add it for all these things. So ideally the drop downs will be I'll create a kind of a list sheet like here. So we'll just put it as list sheet, and then I will add these drop downs. So basically, so let me just take that here. If I kind of put here, and then so we still have some more there. So no worries, I'll delete that, and all these things will automatically get removed. And I think it's probably, let's see, yeah, I think that's why. Let's try that now. Okay, so this is not sure if it is needed, but we also have 3 admins. The reason why we may have 3 admins is because we would kind of have white space. You can see there is a white space before, so that's why it is coming up. So that's the whole point of the admin. So this full thing will be automatically updated to the respective information in the activity type as well for all 3 sheets. And let me check if it is needed. Yeah, so all 4 sheets I'll go ahead and update it, so that you can go ahead and kind of use it whenever you want it right here. So when you add the data, obviously the drop down will automatically get that information inside. So same with here. I'll do the same thing with respect to that. So there is one thing which says T. I think there is it's put in for a purpose. So I'll use that as well. So this is the dashboard that I have. Let me know if there is anything else that I need to go ahead and kind of update, or so that I'll be able to assist. Right. So budget for this, I'm requesting about 129. Let me know if that's possible. Obviously, I'm willing to negotiate. So if there is any the changes, perhaps we can discuss as well for that too. Right. Have a good day. Take care.